Hello friends. Today I am going to start my conversation with you with a short story. Imagine you've been diagnosed as having hearing loss. You go to an audiologist. He decides on a hearing aid for you. You get it fitted and you go home. You hear perfectly well. Perfect happy ending. But is that in reality that simple and short? Unfortunately, not that simple. In today's my video, I'm going to share with you the journey and the stages that you have once you've diagnosed and have selected a hearing aid and set your hearing goals for yourself. If you have not seen my previous video of how to set your hearing goals for yourself with the help of a professional, I've left a link below in the description. Kindly go through it before you see this video. Now let's start how we have a successful journey to reach your goals that you've set at the time of diagnosis and selection of a hearing aid. The stage 1 to that is the one when you come for a fitting into the clinic. Please ensure that you have adequate time and you are fully prepared to see something. That means I would request you to carry your spectacles if you are wearing them, carry your pen and pad, enough telephone which is fully charged. Some of the hearing aids might have to be connected to your telephone for either making changes or connecting it wirelessly to your hearing aids. So these are the preparations that you do and have adequate time. The minimum time it takes is something from 45 minutes to 1 hour. The first thing the hearing care professional will do is to do a fitting of your hearing aid using a real ear measurement. At this stage, we are concerned and you should be looking for a comfort and ease of wearing a hearing aid. Now, after this, you will be going home. This will be your first experience with your hearing aid. The minute you start wearing a hearing aid, the world may sound very different to you. There will be so many sounds which you have never even noticed are existing will be audible to you. It might create some amount of confusion or some amount of pleasure depending upon what is your personality and how long you have been having a hearing problem. But I assure you that you will be hearing lot better and lot more comfortably than what you were doing before. It will improve your communication, your comprehension and your confidence. And believe me, some people feel that the people will notice their hearing aids. But I have observed that people don't notice your hearing aid as much as they notice that you are hearing well. So continue to use this experience and start enjoying it. Initially, it may be that you will hear better in a more comfortable listening situation, which are not very challenging. Like if not that too many people are speaking or it's not a very noisy environment. This is the initial stage. As you use the hearing aids, this will also start gradually to improve. The next thing is that you might hear your own voice differently. This is sometimes related to the reason because you have not heard your own voice for a long time and it may sound differently. If it is not causing too much of inconvenience, continue using the hearing aid as it is. But if it is very inconvenient, you can contact your hearing care professional to make necessary changes for you. The third thing that can happen is you might get some amount of whistling sounds or sounds when you take your hand very close to the ear. Generally, these are not the issues with the advanced hearing aids. in a low-end product or in a hearing aid which is very high-gain instrument, this may happen. This can be generally corrected very comfortably by your hearing care professional. The most important thing that now you have to do is to use your hearing aid for as many hours as possible and practically all waking hours. This is one most important thing to reach your goal, and this will help you to reach your goal. Because you must understand that for many years, your brain had a sensory deprivation, which has caused neural structure damages and changes, which are not very easy to overcome immediately. The minute you start wearing your hearing aid, these changes start taking place over a period of time. Research has proved that it requires intensive auditory training, at least when you use it for 12 hours a day, and it takes 12 weeks minimum. So try to use your hearing aids as many hours as possible that you can use comfortably, other than going for shower and at the time of sleeping. This will allow you to reach your goals as fast as possible. The third thing that you have to do is also to take care of your hearing aid. Do not forget to change the batteries, open the hearing aids when you are not wearing them, put them in a charger at night if you have a rechargeable hearing aid, clean them every day after taking it out and before wearing them. Because maintenance, as we spoke earlier, is the most important aspect of getting best results from your hearing aids. As in any other chronic diseases which are not curable and have to be managed, like diabetes, arthritis, you have to visit your physician or your hearing care professional, because they will be controlling or monitoring your progress. They will be doing necessary changes to improve your performance, and also in this case check your hearing aids regularly. This will help you to hear well all through your use time of a hearing aid during the life of a hearing aid, which is generally 4 to 7 years. If you found this video interesting and helpful, please share with your loved ones or others who are using a hearing aid. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our video. Till then, take care and hear well. Thank you.